welcome back to my channel. Worried by not seeing any concept name on the picture? So we are done. We have come to an end of our Python tutorial. Now we have covered all the basic concepts like introduction, hello world program, data types, operators, and also decision making statements, looping statements, classes, object oriented concepts, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and we have also covered some of the modules like NumPy, JSON, and I have covered I think almost 4 modules. And if you want any specific concept, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll also be doing the programming videos, the programs as usual. But the tutorial has come to an end. This is the last video, and next we will be starting HTML. If you want to learn it, please subscribe my channel and also stay tuned. Thank you for watching my tutorial videos. Bye bye. Have a nice day.